just got the slime. I just bought it, and it's from Nickelodeon, and I'm super duper excited. Like I said on Wednesday, I said that it's I had like a very good one, and like on Fridays I do like fun things, not Legos and Roblox and everything else that I do. And I'm so excited. I think this is my second time doing it. Yeah. So or like maybe like the 10th time, because I used to make slime all the time, but I just stopped doing it once we moved into this new house because I don't want it to get dirty. So let's get opening it. Whoa, okay. There is a lot of stuff. Oh my god, everything's falling. We got the foam beads because we're gonna make a crunchy slime. We got the glue, like we can do it green or purple. And then we got 2 of them. We got glue and activator. Yep. Oh, there's something down here. I think that, so this is where you put all the activator. You put it like where it's down on the bottom, like right here. So then we can pour it in. But, yeah. Let's get out the activator. It's hard here. Okay, let's move that off to the side. So this is everything that we have. We have a little spoon. We have popsicle sticks. We got something like to measure the activator. We got glue, and we got the, I don't know if it's paints or not. But okay, so first we put in glue. Oh, you gotta do this and then take this off. I'm super duper excited, and then we just pour it in. I'm so excited. Okay, it's really hard to pour it in. Okay, I've never poured this in. That's very hard. It's very hard. Okay. But you can make slime at home. All you need is activator, glue. You can have clear glue if you just want it clear, or you can put it, or you can have it like a glitter one, or just like a plain. Yeah. Okay, I just gotta dump it in. Okay, I don't know if I got it. Oh, okay, that is a lot. I just filled it in. Okay, I think I'm done with that. And purple or green. Okay, I want to do purple. Okay. How do I open this? I'm gonna try to open it. Okay. Oh, it spilled. Okay. I don't know if it comes off or not, but I'm gonna pour it into the glue. Ooh, okay. There's not a lot. This is how it looks like. I don't want to show you it, like, I don't know how to show you it, but yeah, and then we stir it. Yep. Okay, it's doing pretty good. Ooh, I like it. I really like it. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, it's a little bit, it's like very, it's like really liquidy, but it's gonna turn in like to slime if you know how to make slime. Okay, I'm gonna put that in and put activator. Yep, I'm gonna pour in like a little bit. Okay. Oops, the activator is closed. Oh wait, no. I gotta do that and take it off and then put it back on like that. Eee! Okay, I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna need more than that. Okay. Okay, so how much? Okay, okay. Gotta put more. You can't see, but I'm putting some in. It looks like water, but it is not. Okay, a little bit more. You gotta measure where it says 5. Okay, there. I'm done. And then we just pour it in. Ooh, okay. Make sure not to pour in a lot, because sometimes I had glue that I poured a lot. Ooh, it's turning it into slime. Yeah, ooh, it is turning into the mixture or slime. Look at, I don't know if you can see it. Here, let me pick it up. See, look at, y'all guys, if y'all guys have made slime, y'all guys would know if it was done or not. I haven't made slime ever since my old house. Yeah, I've been making it with my sister for years. So I've known how to make slime. Okay, it's doing good. Okay, let's take it off. I think I need to put a little bit more, like a little bit more activator, like a little tiny bit. Okay. I don't know if I need to put a lot or no. There. The activator forms the glue. Yeah. Okay, it's turning into slime. Yep, it is. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if I should touch it. Ooh, it's turning into slime. I just need to make it into like a lump. I need to get everything. Okay, it's very good. Okay, I don't know if I should put my hands in yet. Okay, I think I should put my hands in right now. Okay, I'm scared. Ooh, okay, I gotta make sure it's like very good. I know it's sticky, but you can get it off. Yeah, you just gotta make it into the form. You need to make it. Okay. You need to make sure it's not this sticky. It can be like soft. Yeah, because it's not really sticky. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put my hands in that, but I'm gonna put more activator because I think it needs more activator. Okay. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, okay? I know. Okay, I'm just gonna, or sometimes it could be a little bit watery. Sometimes it could be watery, and yeah. Okay, I'm making it. I am making it. I didn't know that I can make it without my sister being here, cause like I need my sister's instructions to do slime. Okay, it's slime. It's slime, dude. I just made slime without my sister. Dude, I just made slime. Oh my god. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure it turns gray if you want more slime videos. Make sure to put a like and turn on the bells if you want to know, if when I post another video and notifications. And I think I'm gonna put the beads in. First, I gotta get all of it, all of the slime. You just gotta dab it. Okay. Okay. Now I can put it on the table. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna move everything else on, so then everything else right here, so then y'all guys can see. Look at, oh my god, it's slime. It's slime. Eee! Okay, so, and if you want to get this set, it's from, I got it from Walmart. I got it yesterday. Okay, now I'm gonna put the foam beads in. Okay. You need to make sure you get it everywhere, because it needs to be crunchy. See, you gotta put a lot. And it's gonna make a really big mess. And yeah, I'm gonna have to pick up after this. Okay, so it's turning into slime. I just want it to be crunchy slime. I never made crunchy slime. I want to make crunchy slime. Wait, I want it to be crunchy slime. Okay, it might not be crunchy slime because it's my first time. And if it's not your first time doing crunchy slime, then y'all guys would know what to do for crunchy slime. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna put more foam beads. I'm putting all of it. It needs to be perfect. Well, not perfect. It's getting on my shorts. Okay, it's good. It's doing good. Okay, first, well, it can go off your hands easily. You just gotta take it off. It's easy. It's not sticky. And I can't believe I just made slime. It's my first time like making slime in this house. Cause like I haven't been making slime a lot. Yeah. And I wanted to make slime in this video because I thought it would be fun for y'all, like to watch. Ooh, so it's not really crunchy slime, but it's the best. Well, comment down below if you think my slime is good. I call this slime the lamest, crunchiest slime. Okay. Comment down below if it was like this for you too. Your first time making it too. Because this is my first time. I didn't know if I should put it last or put it when I'm mixing it. I don't know. Okay, you just gotta put a lot. You gotta get a lot there. Okay, they're all sticking to my hand. And I'm gonna take this like to trips. Well, not trips and like to play with my friends. Yeah, which is I can't play with my friends right now because you know what's going on right now. I wish my friends could do it with me. My friends would be so excited to be in a video with me. Yeah. But I might, we might do fun challenges on, Christmases. That's the only time I do challenges. Yeah, cause yeah. Okay, it's turning in. It's turning into slime. Like, it's turning into crunchy slime. You just gotta put a lot of beads. A lot of beads in. So next time if I make a crunchy slime, can you, remind me to do it not to do it at last? Cause, okay, you can look at it. Wow. I just cleaned up my hands. Okay. I would prefer having a table, putting it, it's turning into slime. Okay, well, it's already in slime. Ooh, it's not a satisfying slime. Like one that's stretchy. It's one that's I think I put too much activator. You know what? This is my first time, okay? Well, not my first time. Well, this is my first time doing it at this house. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it down like this. Just lay it down. Okay. I got it. You know what? I have control, okay? It's slime. Okay? It's just slime. It's comment down below if you think this is slime and what would you name this slime? Cause my slime's name is, I forgot. Okay. I don't remember, but I'm gonna make a new name. The not country slime ever. Yep, that could be a word. That could be a name for a slime, right? I think it could. Okay, just gotta get all the beads in. Well, they're already in, but they're not in it. Actually in it. They're outside of it, but it needs to be in it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And comment down below what. Okay. I'm just proud, but then also not proud that I made a slime that does not stretch because I love slimes that stretch. And yeah. Oh, it can be a bracelet. See, look at my bracelet. It's so crunchy. You know what? This is satisfying. Well, not satisfying. It would not be in a satisfying video, for sure. Okay. It's I have progress. Okay. Ooh, it looks so cute. And yeah. okay. Maybe next Wednesday I could do another slime video if y'all guys like me doing slime videos. Comment down below if you like me doing slime videos. Yeah. Okay, just gotta make it. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay. See, it stretches a lot. It does not stretch a lot. Okay, see, look at what's stretching right now. Okay, let's see, look at. Hey, at least I made slime, okay? At least I made slime, okay? Okay. I'm so excited! Yes, I made slime! I can't believe I actually made slime like I did. It's called not the crunchiest slime, not the crunchiest slime. Yes, that's what it's called. Remember, I'm gonna remember that it's called the not crunchiest slime. Okay? Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Comment down below if you had a great time with me in doing this. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video on Monday. And bye.